Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're gonna be learning the short summary of the poem Romeo and Juliet. Romeo and Juliet is one of the most famous plays of William Shakespeare. It has inspired generations of lovers all over the earth. Romeo and Juliet belong to two rival noble families of Verona, Venice, Capulets and Montagues. Once old Lord Capulet, who is Juliet's father, hosted a grand supper. Romeo goes to the supper disgusted. He sees Juliet on the dance floor and falls in love with her beauty. He learns that she is Juliet Capulet. Though belonging to a rival family, Juliet also responds to Romeo's feelings and falls in love with him. William Shakespeare in the given verses brings out their feelings very potentially. In the first verse, Romeo expresses his feelings like this. He potentially refers to her beauty and says that her beauty is so brilliant that it can inspire a torch to burn more brightly, meaning that even a bright light from a torch is pale compared to her beauty. He tells us that her beauty is like twirling, soft and radiant before night falls and shines as a jewel as worn by a dark-skinned American woman. He compares her beauty as priceless and expensive to be seen on a mortal man, comparing her beauty to heavenly beauty. Just as a white-colored pigeon can be easily admired among a crowd of black-colored crows, her beauty is evident among other beauties, meaning that she is more beautiful than others. He tells to himself that having appreciated her beauty, he will follow her and touch her and feel blessed. He asked himself whether he had loved anyone before as he loved Juliet, and earnestly he believed he has found his true love. He feels his eyes are enriched after seeing such beauty. Juliet also feels the same way as Romeo, and she also falls in love with him and says to herself that Romeo is like a day and light during a dark night in his life. He appears to her as if he is coming on the wings of the night. She compares him to white snow on the back of a raven, meaning that he is more handsome than other men, and his handsomeness stands over other men. She appeals to God to give her Romeo and make her happy, even if she has to die for her love. She also asks the Almighty to transform Romeo into a million little stars so that even the skies will gain beauty. When that happens, then the whole world might fall in love with night and treat bright sun with less regard.